All right, guys, so hopefully now you guys are feeling better about that whole second section. So what we're going to look at now is we're going to look at the kind where you only have logs on one side and not one on the other side. So these are a little bit different because they're going to have more than one log. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to use properties to combine them. So we're going to take a look first at number 41. So on number 41, we have log base 2 of 9 plus log base 2 of 4x equals 2. So our biggest difference here is that we're going to have to take these two here and combine them in order to make them look like the ones that we just did. So if I combine these, that addition is going to turn into multiplication. So I'm going to have 9 times 4x equals 2. Okay, that's supposed to be a times. I don't know if you can see it. That's a really ugly dot. All right, so that's going to give me log base 2 of 36x equals 2. So now I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it as 2 squared equals 36x. 2 to the 2 equals 36x. So I have 2 squared equals 36x. All right, I'm going to go ahead and move this stuff out of the way. So I'm going to have 4 equals 36x. And so from there, I can go ahead and solve this. Okay, so this is going to be a lot better. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by 36. And once I do that, okay, it's okay if your answer is a fraction. Okay, oh wait, hang on. Okay, so it's all right if your answer is a fraction. Sorry about that hiccup there. And so I'm going to end up here, if I reduce this, with x equals 1/9. All right, and you can see that if you take that and you plug it in here into my equation, it's going to be a positive times a positive. So my answer is positive, and I'm good to go. All right, so you might see some crazier ones. Okay, you might see one like something like this. So let's say you have on 53. 53 is super crazy. We've got log base 6 of 4 minus log base 6 of x plus 5 equals 2. So here I'm going to have to actually divide those, and I'm going to have log base 6 of 4 over x plus 5 equals 2. Now that I have the log by itself, it's isolated, I can go ahead and rewrite it as 6 squared equals 4 over x plus 5. So that's going to give me 36 equals 4 over x plus 5. Now it's really awkward that this is down here, okay? All right, so I'm actually going to here, all right, I'm going to move those out of the way. So I need to get my x plus 5 on top because it's really awkward if it's on the bottom. So I'm going to take my 36 equals 4 over x plus 5, and I'm going to actually multiply both sides by x plus 5 so that these two cancel. This 36 is going to distribute, and I'm going to have 36x plus 36 times 5 is going to be 180. So I have 36x plus 180 equals 4. I'm going to subtract 180 from both sides, and I get 36 equals, that should be negative 176. And then from there, I can go ahead here and divide that out, okay? And I'm going to end up with, once I divide by 36, on my calculator I get a decimal. I'm going to use the frac button to turn it into a fraction, okay? And it's going to give me, let's see, that's 36. Oh, that was a 36x, excuse me. So that's going to end up with having x equals negative 44 over 9, okay? All right, so from there you can go ahead and plug it back into your calculator and check and see if it works, and you should be good to go, okay? So now I want you guys to go ahead and start with number 41, start with the odds, work those out, okay, see how far you can get, and do your best with them, okay? We'll process through all this on a Friday if we need to, okay, and we'll go over as many as we need to. So you might run into some that are quadratics. Don't let that freak you out, but you will see a whole bunch in this section that are going to turn out to be fractions, okay? So don't let that scare you, all right? You guys are good.